How's it going, guys? ATC Repairs here, coming back at you with another maintenance light reset video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to perform a maintenance reset on a 2010 Honda Civic LX. First thing you want to do is locate the select/reset button. You want to click that until you find oil life. Once you're on oil life, you can see 10%. Press and hold the select reset and button down until it starts flashing. Once you see it starts flashing, let go of the select reset button and hold it back down until the oil life resets back to 100%. And there you can see oil life 100%. Let go of the button. And that is how to perform a maintenance light reset on a 2010 Honda Civic LX. If you work in the industry or if you just like working on your own cars, consider subscribing and like the video. It really helps my channel out a lot. Besides that, I hope you guys have a great day.